अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा और तालबात, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। स्किल्स एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको एक बार फिर से खुश आमदीद। शॉर्ट हैंड प्रैक्टिस के सिलसिला की दूसरी वीडियो के साथ आज आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डेली डॉन पैराग्राफ क्रीपिंग मिलिट्री रूल। लेट्स स्टार्ट। The battle lines had long been drawn full stop. Now the fight has reached a critical stage full stop. The May 9 attacks on military installations in some cities seem to be a turning point full stop. Enraged PTI supporters directly took on the security establishment full stop. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan has lashed out at the army chief, thus crossing the Rubicon full stop. New para. Now the empire has struck back full stop. Thousands of PTI leaders and supporters have been arrested in a country-wide crackdown full stop. Some of them could face trial under the Army Act full stop. The creeping shadow of army rule is becoming more pronounced full stop. New para. However, the battle between Imran Khan and security establishment is only one part of the Game of Thrones full stop. The other part features the ruling coalition, which is up in arms against the top judiciary and is vowing to remove the Chief Justice, who they allege is favoring the former Prime Minister full stop. The court's order to release Khan within a day of his arrest and provide him with protection from further action has intensified the conflict full stop. Parliament has passed a resolution calling to file a reference against the top judge full stop. New para. The ruling coalition has also decided to demonstrate its street power full stop. Thousands of opposition supporters this week gathered outside the Supreme Court demanding that the Chief Justice step down full stop. The protesters may have dispersed peacefully, with no act of violence reported, but it has brought the battle between the government and the top judiciary to a head full stop. Both aspects of the picture an opposition pitted against the security establishment and a government at loggerheads with the apex court gives a dangerous twist to the power game full stop. It's a free for all and a volatile situation full stop. The end game is unpredictable full stop. New para. Curiously, the decision to try the preparators of the May 9 attacks on military installations was taken in an extraordinary corps commanders meeting and not by the civilian government full stop. The cabinet is most likely to rubber stamp the decision full stop, but it will be hard for the Supreme Court to validate the move to try civilians under the Army Act and the Official Secrets Act something that would legitimize the military's growing sway full stop. The proposed establishment of military courts and deployment of the army in major cities would further lengthen the institution's shadow, which already eclipses a tottering civilian government full stop. Stop right.